Let's go.
What's up guys? Back again with another video. So for today's vlog, we are going to bake
Chocolate cookies.
so chocolate cookies. The first thing we need is apron, Kyle. Do you have apron, Kyle?
Of course we have.
Okay, one, two, three.
Wow!
Wow! So we got our apron already. So it's time to bake.
Kuya, where's the ingredients?
I think we have ingredients already.
So the ingredients we need are
flour, baking soda, butter, salt, cocoa powder, and brown sugar.
So next guys, gagawin na namin yung chocolate chip cookie. So first ay kailangan natin ng
butter.
1 1/4 na butter. Ano sunod?
Wait
Hindi,
lang.
kung kulang yan.
Hindi yan kulang. One stick butter. Tapos,
Ang dami! Hala, ang dami!
dami talaga.
Kailangan madami talaga?
Oo.
So, ang next naman ay...
No, i-smash mo muna to.
So, smash muna natin yung...
Kasi, pag hindi mo mahirap i-mix yan mamaya. Imagine mo ganyan. Tapos, i-ready na na.
Kailangan talagang full to?
Oo. Wait lang. Okay na yan!
Next is 2 cups of white sugar.
No, ano siya?
Brown sugar, white sugar. Sure, we are going to use brown sugar. So, 2 cups of brown sugar. So, let's move this one.
Okay, so, let's see kung tama yung
So, 2
package
cups of
natin.
sugar.
Kasi
So,
kailangan
meron
natin
kami ginamit na ano,
gram something.
Gramomar. Ay. Ah, ang dami!
Tawasan natin to. Yan, ganyan kadami sugar.
Grabe, ang daming sugar.
2 cups of sugar.
Then, 2 eggs.
No, later pa.
Later pa yung eggs. So, I
So,
have to
bimix
mix
na.
this one.
With the, mixer. With the mixer.
So, we have to use a mixer. Kaya, get the mixer.
So,
Haluin mo muna yan.
no, yun,
Yeah, it's number 1.
like that. Kuya,
How? Wait.
you're going to do it, like this. To get all of the butter.
Then sugar.
So we're just gonna continue mixing.
Baka ako naman
Ayun
next. Patry naman ako.
Okay na.
Wait lang.
Ano, i-add ko muna to. 1 by 1 kasi ito i-add.
Then,
So,
lagay na natin yung
Itlog.
itlog.
Isa-isa buto.
So, you can also use white egg.
Yeah.
But we have the brown
Organic.
egg. Organic egg.
So yeah.
So, kailangan natin ito
Like that. Stop. Stop.
Wait, we have to mix it well. Then next, the other egg, the second egg.
If you're going to on the side. Like
Wait.
this. Ganito kapag...
You have to mix it.
Gaganituhin kasi kapag sa sides. Gaganituhin. Kasi gaganituhin. Pero
I think I'll get...
No, kuya, I have a spatula. Oh.
You have there? Yes, yes, no.
So, we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Then next would be
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then we have to mix it again.
Yeah.
Ang sarap!
After mixing, lalagyan na natin yung 2 cups of flour. Igaganito natin siya so walang excess na para hindi walang buo-buo. Fine yung
Parang sa buhangin lang so kailangan natin gamit ng strainers.
tapos kailangan natin kumuha ng maliit na bowl. Tapos pagka ganun natin, pag may parang rocky something ganyan.
Kailangan madurog yun.
Siyempre, flour siya. So, lalagyan pa natin ng 1 cup kasi 1 cup lang yung kanina.
So next ay cocoa powder. So
Wait
cocoa
lang.
powder. So
Isang-
ilang cups ng cocoa powder?
3/4 cup. So, mga ganito.
So 3/4
Wait lang.
3/4 cup of cocoa powder.
Wait lang.
Then imimix yun
Ito
after.
lang. This much. That is 3/4.
So ito siya, cocoa powder na next.
Uy! Ayaw.
Then
Tapos imimix
next ay mix na natin
1
muna.
teaspoon baking soda.
So 1
Teaspoon.
of baking soda.
Hindi lang.
Hindi kaya sobrang tamis niya.
No, this one.
Buksan natin. 1 teaspoon.
Hindi ka. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon yan. So mimix na natin.
Hindi pa.
Ano na sunod?
Ano lang, a pinch of salt.
1/8
Hindi,
1/8.
pinch of salt.
pinch of salt.
Sa mga ganito kadami. Para medyo
So now we have to mix it.
Mimix mo siya.
So guys, ito na yung malapit-lapit na siya. So may kukunin lang tayo sa ref. Kyle, what are you getting there? Chocolate.
Ano siya?
Ano? So chocolate.
Optional.
Optional. So optional lang gumamit ng chocolate. Anong chocolate to?
Ano siya?
Chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Then this one,
White chocolate.
white chocolate. So we're going to use white chocolate and dark chocolate. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay na to?
Okay na. Okay na.
Kadami.
mix
Diabetes
natin.
ang aabutin natin yan. Mix na.
Para may ano siya, texture.
Texture.
Lahat din na kaya na.
Lahatin mo na. Para mas masarap. Diabetes abutin natin yan. Ang dami! Oo! Oo! Dami!
Oo, gusto niya natin. Optional lang to ah. Kung ayaw niyo magka-diabetes, huwag niyo ito na.
So habang naka-quarantine, magbe-bake tayo mga pampataba. Let's go!
Ay, naku.
So lalagyan pa natin ulit ng cocoa kasi
Optional lang to
optional
kasi.
is still optional.
Ito optional.
Ito optional.
Ano siya kasi masyadong light. Gusto namin ito.
We need it more dark. So dark chocolate chip cream gagawin natin.
Chip cream.
Chip cream. Namiss ko na mag-Starbucks eh. So we have to mix it well.
Kuya. Hanggang sa maging malapot siya.
So we have to mix it very, very well.
Very, very well.
Tell your fingers, put that one down there.
Down there. So, sobrang bagay nito sa milk.
Do you have fruit milk? You don't have to do
I know.
Ang gagawin namin ay
Ilalagay na siya sa pan.
so ilalagay na natin siya ngayon sa pan.
Lalagay na natin yung dough sa pan. So, preheat na natin yung oven. Tapos ilalagay natin for 15 to 20.
Let's go!
So, 200 lang kailangan. Lagay na natin.
So guys, tapos na yung cookie. So we got time to kukunin natin yung cookie. We are going to get the cookie right now in the oven, bro. We are going to get the cookie in the oven, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, let's go. Oh my god, oh my god. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. Hope you like it. Hit the thumbs bottom up. Hit the thumbs bottom up, bro. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you dislike my video, it's okay. I'm still learning. We are still learning. So thank you guys. Peace out.